Hello guys, today we are learning how to create realistic shadows in Photoshop. So I have my cassava, place it on the table. First of all, you are going to select the cassava out of the background. So go to select and then select subject and wait as Photoshop does its magic. When you're done, click on the layer mask, then make sure that we clear all this whitish background out. I use my brush, take it off. And then you come back. So in order to get our shadows back, duplicate this layer, right click, go to duplicate layer. Okay, so we come on this layer, hit Ctrl I, click on the layer mask and then click on Ctrl I to invert. Now you go to blending options, blending modes, and then select multiply so that we get our shadows back. And then I like us to take the shadows rather below the object and then duplicate the shadows again by hitting Ctrl J. Yeah, there. And that is how we've converted our cassava into realistic cassava on table realistic shadows. Now thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe and then like. Kindly like and then subscribe, if possible share. Okay.